Hello children, uh, welcome back again to my physics lessons. We are doing chapter number 3, energy, and in the last class we have learned about potential energy and kinetic energy. We have learned about the formulas with the help of which we can calculate potential energy and kinetic energy, isn't it? Yes. So today we are going to begin with other types of energy such as chemical energy, electrical energy, muscular energy, magnetic energy, light energy, heat energy, sound energy, and nuclear energy. And I'm pretty sure that you are enjoying my lessons. See, if you have any doubts, I'm always there. You can just text me, ask me in the class group. If you feel a little bit awkward in asking me in the class group, you can always ask me personally through WhatsApp. You can text me. I will always uh, give you back the any help that you need. All right, so I'm always there. So slowly we are progressing towards the end of the third chapter. Okay, and today we are going to discuss about different types of energy. All right, so let us first discuss about chemical energy. Okay, so whenever the things that are burnt have chemical energy in it. So whenever something is burning, it produces heat plus a little bit of light. So this heat and light, okay, energy, these are the two energies which are produced when the things are burning. When things are burning means the things that have chemical energy. So this chemical energy, when it is burning, is changing into heat and light energy. All right, for example, coal, koila bhayo, wood भनेको दाउरा, isn't it? Paper, diesel, petrol are few examples of the substances that have chemical energy stored in them. So such things, daura, koila, okay, diesel, petrol, kerosene, paper, whenever you are burning these things, the energy that you get is actually coming from the energy which is stored in them. And what is that energy? Chemical energy. All right, so when these things burn, they release energy which can cause work to be done. The energy released are in the form in diesel and petrol can be used to run a car, a bus. Okay, are you getting my point? Or a tractor. So this chemical energy, is helping us to run our buses and cars. So the energy which is stored in fuels like diesel, petrol, kerosene, your candle, LPG, okay, the gas that your mother uses to cook the food, they all possess chemical energy. All right. So now in the next page, you can see that there is a chemical energy stored in your food. The food that we eat, that also possesses chemical energy. When food is eaten, the chemical energy stored in it is released. Then the muscles of our body, can do some activity. So food is the fuel used by our body. So I may ask you a question from here. Okay, dash is the used by our food is the dash used by our body. You can write fuel as the answer. All right, are you getting my point? So chemical energy is stored in food. Okay, the energy that we get from the food is actually the chemical energy. Okay, then comes heat energy. One of the most important forms of energy is the heat energy. It is the form of energy in action. Energy in the other form is often changed into heat energy before it is used. Coal or oil is burnt to produce to heat homes. Heat energy is also called thermal energy. Important thing to be noted that the other name of heat energy is thermal energy. Okay, then comes light energy. Light energy is a form of energy which enables us to see the world around us. Thus, it is the form of energy in action. The sun is the main source of light energy. The stars and the fireflies, jugnu junkeri bhन्छ नि, so they are the natural source of light energy. You can find many examples of light energy, such as electric bulbs radiate light energy, neon signs give off light energy, fire, okay, also radiates light energy. So these are the bulbs which can give us light energy. So light is a form of energy which is actually helping us to see the things around us. हामीले वरिपरि जे पनि देख्छ केले गर्दा देख्छ, लाइटले गर्छ. In the daytime there is sun gives us light energy, and because of that we are able to see the things around us. Now in the night there is no sun and hence there is no light. That is why everywhere there is darkness. We cannot see the things around us in the night, that is in the dark. Alright, then comes sound energy. It is the form of energy produced by the vibration of a body. Please underline this. It enables us to hear the sound produced by different objects or bodies around us. Thus it is a form of energy in action. काम गर्दैछ नि त यसले, बुझ्यौ? सो काम गरेको एनर्जीलाई त we call it as energy in the form of action. Alright, so that is your sound energy. So sound energy is the form of energy which is produced by the bodies which are vibrating. Okay, so vibrating bodies produces sound energy, and which help us to what? Listen or hear. Alright. Okay, so in the next page you will see that again now something about sound energy, that you must have noticed that the doors, okay, and the windows start rattling during a loud sound produced by a thunder or an aeroplane flying over the building. This shows that sound energy is capable of doing work, isn't it? थर्किन्छ नि त हैन, गाडाङ गुरुङ चल्दाखेरि के हुन्छ, खिड्कीहरु दैलोहरु थर्केको जस्तो हुन्छ, छानाहरु थर्केको जस्तो हुन्छ. So it means that sound energy has a capability to do work. Alright, now after this comes your electrical energy. See, in between anywhere if you have any doubts you can pause and again review. Pichadi backward गरेर again you can see the videos, okay, wherever you feel confused. It is not that you have to watch thoroughly. एकपल्ट हेर्यो बुझ्यो कि बुझेन, हेर्यो भयो. No, it's not in that way. You have to understand also. Alright, now next one is electric energy, the most important energy in our today's life, because we have so many appliances at our home that works on electricity. So every appliances that we have at our home depends upon electricity. Just like this, our cell phone also, isn't it? Our mobile phones through which we are doing online classes, it also works on electricity. बत्ती छैन भने के हुन्छ? Online class हुँदैन, isn't it? So we have been so much dependent on this form of energy called electrical energy. The pump in the refrigerator, okay, or in air conditioner give off heat. Okay. So washing machine tumbles cloth, an electric bulb gives off light, an electric fan pushes the air, a vacuum cleaner removes the dust from a rug, isn't it? An electric heater gives off heat. All these devices use electrical energy to do work. So you have seen that at our home we have so many devices, right? From freeze, our geyser, oven, toaster, heater, isn't it? Yes, electric bulb, they're all using electrical energy. So all these devices use electrical energy to do work. In agricultural, electric energy is used to run a motor to pump out water from the well, and electric energy is also used to run machines, okay, and factories, electric trains, lifts and floor mills. Thus you can see that electricity can produce motion, and hence electricity is also a form of energy. So electrical energy can be sent over long distances, okay, you can underline this, long distances, okay, through wires and cables. It is because of electricity the factories can be located almost everywhere. So these are the most common devices that we have at our home. There is vacuum cleaner, mixer and grinder, heater, you have refrigerator, you have microwave ovens, electric irons, isn't it? Yes, dryer. Okay, these are the things that you have at our home which works with the help of electrical energy. Understand? Now let's go to the next topic, that is muscular energy. You must have seen that a weightlifter lifts heavy weights. Olympics, okay, in Olympics and other games, they are able to lift, okay, heavy loads because they possess strong muscles. The energy possessed, please underline this, the energy possessed by muscle is called muscular energy. Muscles ma bhako energy la ke bhन्छ muscular energy. Okay, so we get muscular energy from the food that we are eating. हामीले जुन चाहिँ खाना खान्छ त्यसबाट चाहिँ हामीले एनर्जी पाउँछ. And what kind of energy is stored in food? That is chemical energy. Okay, now how? Because food भन्ने बित्तिकै के आयो? रोटी आयो, चामल आयो. This रोटी के बाट आउँछ? गहुँबाट आउँछ. So this wheat and rice is produced by plants. Plants ले produce गर्छ. How? By the process of photosynthesis. Okay, so by the process of photosynthesis, plants are preparing food. Means solar energy, sun बाट आएको energy लाई चाहिँ plants are storing in the form of food. That food has chemical energy stored in it. That chemical energy in form of food we eat. That food that gets digested in our stomach, okay, and it reaches to our different cells, okay, त्यो cells मा पुगेर चाहिँ that chemical energy gets transferred into this muscular energy. So on other hand, a weak person or a small children have weak muscles and cannot pick heavy loads. So muscular energy is the energy that is possessed by a person by its or his or her muscles. All right, then comes your next one is magnetic energy. Magnet भनेको चाहिँ के हो? चुम्बक. So चुम्बकमा भएको energy चाहिँ what we call it? Magnetic energy. The energy possessed by a magnet is called magnetic energy. Magnets can attract iron and other magnetic substances or materials such as nickel and cobalt. So see, very important thing to be noted here. Apart from iron, okay, magnet ले चाहिँ के पनि आफूलाई attract गर्न सक्दो रहेछ, nickel र cobalt. Okay, symbol of nickel is Ni and then symbol of cobalt is Co. Symbol of iron is Fe. You can write this. Okay, you write it. Magnetic energy and electrical energy are closely related to each other. You say this relationship we'll learn in class 10. Okay, relationship between electricity and magnetism. There is a separate chapter called electricity and magnetism in class 10's book. There will be learning about the relationship between magnet and electricity. Magnetic, okay, field or energy, okay, that is in the next page. If you go to the next page, you will see, okay, energy can be, okay, produced by passing electric current through a metallic wire. The electric energy can be produced by moving a metallic coil in the magnetic field. So just remember this much. We'll be learning about these things in class 10. All right. In which class? Class 10. All right. Okay. So energy that is possessed by a magnet is called magnetic energy. Okay. Now the last one is your nuclear energy. A great amount of energy can be produced by causing the nucleus of atoms to split. You know, atoms, the smallest particle of an element or a substance, isn't it? So atom लाई पनि split, यसलाई पनि atom लाई पनि अझै break गर्यो भने चाहिँ के हुन्छ? Very large amount of के हुन्छ? Energy release हुन्छ, produce हुन्छ. All right. So that energy released by the splitting of atoms of a nucleus is called nuclear energy. And this can be of two types: fission and fusion. See, you can circle this: fission reaction or fusion reaction. So nuclear energy can be in form of two ways. One is fission, due to fission, the other one is due to fusion. So when the nucleus of an atom splits, it gives out large amount of energy. This energy is called nuclear energy or atomic energy. So other name of nuclear energy is atomic energy. The splitting, please underline, very important thing to be remembered. The splitting of a nucleus is called fission. All stars including the sun produce their energy from the nuclear fusion, which takes place when two or more nuclei stick or fuse together from a heavy nucleus along with the release of tremendous amount of energy. Okay, so fission ma चाहिँ के हुन्छ? Split हुन्छ, atoms breaks. Okay, so let me write here. Fission ma चाहिँ what happens? Atoms breaks. Atoms break हुन्छ नि, त्यति बेला चाहिँ एनर्जी रिलिज भएकोलाई चाहिँ के भन्छ? Fission. Okay, energy due to fission. र fusion भनेको त गाँसिनु, जोडिनु. Okay, combine together. Okay, so when atomic particles, okay, you can just remember this word, atomic particles combine together, they produce large amount of heat energy, nuclear energy. That energy produced by the reaction is called fusion reaction. Okay, so what are the uses? You can write the uses here. Nuclear energy is used to generate electricity. Number 2, nuclear energy is used in medical treatment of diseases such as cancer. So cancer ma pani nuclear energy they use garda raheछ. So these are the two uses of nuclear energy. So these were the types of energy that we had to discuss in class 7. Okay, apart from this we have other more types of energy like geothermal energy, tidal energy, solar energy. All right, this we'll be learning in class 8. All right, so let's have a quick recall of the things that we did today. Today we discuss about various types of energy. First energy that we discussed today is chemical. Okay, chemical energy. Let me go to the first page. Chemical energy here. Then we discussed about here heat energy, light energy, and sound energy. Then we discussed electrical energy, magnetic energy, and ultimately at the end we discussed nuclear energy. Okay, so now everyone go to page number 47. Okay, or whatsoever as per your book, go to this page because my book is a quite old book, so my page number of my book may not match with yours, so please go to this page. Okay, so here you have a great scientist here, okay, called James Watt. He was the first person, okay, who invented what? The steam engine. Okay, steam engine. You have seen the engine of a rail, Darjeeling's rail, DHR, Darjeeling Himalayan Railway engine. So that engine is a steam engine. Okay, and the person who first invented this steam engine is your James Watt. So what happens here is the energy, you can see this enrichment here. Earlier steam engines were used in trains. In steam engines, the chemical energy is changed into heat energy, which changes the water into steam. So you know coal is used to boil the water, isn't it? So coal has chemical energy stored in it. So when this coal burns, it converts into heat energy. That heat energy starts to boil the water in the boiler. That water which is boiling produces steam, and that steam is used to run the engine or the train. So in thermal power station, the pressure of the steam generated by the burning the coal is used to turn turbines for producing electricity. So this person is the person who is responsible for the production of steam engines. All right, so I hope you all have understood. If you all have any doubts, please ask me without any hesitation. You may ask, again I'm telling you, you may ask in the class group or personally to me, but whenever you are asking me or putting up some questions, please drop your name also, so that I know who is asking me or to whom I am responding. All right, so as usual, after you finish this video, you'll be getting some notes. Copy those notes and please learn it. All right, so that's all for today. Thank you.